Well, go on, viewers and subscribers. I don't know your boy Rush. And today, we're gonna make a spicy Jamaican Escovitch sauce. You see me? And Escovitch sauce, Jamaicans, you must know the thing. If you are Jamaican and you don't know this right now, you take out your passport. You need to take out your passport because you need to know them something. It's a part of our culture from great grandmother, grandmother, even your mother, you must them thing. Right? Escovitch sauce is a mixture of, Jamaican Scotch Bonnet pepper, chocho with onion, thyme and them something there. Pimento is a big part of it. And you can't forget your vinegar. Alright? So a big part of the Escovitch sauce and what makes it the Escovitch sauce that we are famous for in Jamaica and all over the world is the vinegar. So we'll get into that a little later. See? This Escovitch sauce now, we do this from a couple weeks ago, and if you notice, it still look fresh, still look pretty same way because the vinegar preserve whatever is in it, preserve the onions and all of the spices that we put in it. See? So watch this now. Right here, so we have sugar, and this is brown sugar. You can use granulated white sugar if you want. We have some salt, and we're just gonna put a small amount of this in it. See? And what is an Escovitch sauce without this? Your pimento, allspice. You need to have this night. And I love throw nothing in it because I love taste the pimento in it. See? This is with Jamaican Scotch Bonnet pepper. And if you're Jamaican, you must know this. The brown pepper, yeah, this bad. Trust me. I'm going to put a whole lot in it because I love my Escovitch sauce. Spicy and things. In. We have some thyme. And we all know what thyme do to a pot and anything we put it in. Thyme, just me. The flavor, you just can't get over it. Then we have chocho. See? And we're going to put a couple slices in it as well. Carrot. We have ginger, and we're going to just put a couple slices of ginger. We have bell pepper, sweet pepper, and that as well we're going to cut up in it. Onion. Yeah, man, so a couple rings of onion, white onion. We're going to add this to it. And last but not least, we have a vinegar over here, so cane vinegar, right? This is still cane vinegar. Any brand you want to use, you can use it. Persons also use apple cider vinegar as well, but we use the white vinegar. So this we're going to use. And yeah, man, this is all what you need to know right now. So we're going to just transition right over the stove, make you see first, and we're going to start the process and then kick it off with the preparation, cutting up of everything what we have right there. So to make everything come together. See? Alright guys, so we're gonna start off by pouring the vinegar in the pot. And the amount is determined by you. So it all depends on how much Escovitch sauce you're preparing. So we add a pinch of salt to that. Not much because we don't really want it to salt. And about tablespoon or teaspoon of sugar, or maybe just a bit more, because I just want it to be a touch sweet. You don't want it, too sweet. So to the pot, we're gonna add a few of the allspice. Just give this a stir to get everything dissolved properly. And as I said before, we don't want it to boil, we just want it to heat a bit, right? To dissolve the sugar and the salt that is in it. Then after it cool, we just add it to all the way to the jar that have in all of the vegetables and stuff. Alright? So we're gonna move to the preparation of our vegetables now. We'll just transition and do that real quick. So we'll just start with the ginger. We'll just go with a couple slices. Right? We'll have a carrot. And you have more than one way to cut a carrot in, but we are going, you know, do the Julian style today. I just want to cut some thin slices. So we have a chocho and already peeled and everything already. So we just use a couple slices from the chocho. Now I use a whole lot. Right? And the same style as the carrot, we just the same. And if you want carrot to buy, not carrot, the chocho, if you want chocho to buy, you can get them in the market, because we know nowadays chocho kind of hard to get still. And those who do sell them sometimes want to sell them for arm and a leg, you know? So you can just go in a most market and you get them to buy. You're not going to really get them to buy on the roadside. And me use enough onion, as I say, in my pickle. And this is, I think, enough. Yeah man, this is more than enough. So we just open the rings like this. And put them in a separate bowl, because later when you add, you want it to be much easier. So we have a green, we have a yellow bell pepper. Just bust this in half, you take out the seed. And go on the side. Same thing for the yellow one as well. And if you want to use all three colors of the sweet pepper, you can do that as well. Okay, you have the red, you have the yellow, and of course the green. And now we reach to the bad boys I'm in town now. It's them something here. This is why I'm wearing my gloves. Because you don't want them things I catch at some places. And then later you wonder how it reached there. You know? And the brown pepper. And them things are really spicy, as I tell you. Because right now, I cut up and I feel it in my eye, mouth, everything. So we use everything except the stem. Right? And I think that should do it. I really want more than this. This is more than enough for the amount that I'm doing today. See? So we use the seeds and everything like that. So we just gonna add with carrot them. You don't know, mix that with some chocho as well. Drop some ginger in that. Go add some more allspice, pimento berries as we go along, even though we have it already in our pot over there. So see, we'll add some of our onion rings. And of course you can organize this according to how you want to organize. Add some pepper. Just when the pepper are really going with a bag of things in my kitchen right now. Add some more carrot. Some more of this. Add some more onions again. Look on that. See? Yeah man, nice layer. So we add some more torture. And last but not least, let us add some thyme. So to this now we're going to add a mixture of vinegar. So you just want to bring it up as close to the edge of the bottle as possible. You get me? So just cover this. Right? And this is it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. You add this to your jerk chicken, your jerk pork, your jerk fish, your roast fish, your Escovitch fish, your lobster, your crab. Trust me, versatile. And a long time this has come from back in the days, ancestors' days. Nobody do it like with Jamaicans. And we have it in a jar right there, so and you have the opportunity to make it in the kitchen. See? So you see it, how simple it is. Escovitch sauce, straight out of RUSHIE'S Kitchen. For all your needs, you can make this. Your jerk chicken, your jerk pork, your fried fish especially, it's nice on it. And you can leave this in your cupboard, in your fridge for an extended period of time. You don't know. So, big up on yourself and remember to like the video. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Remember to share with a friend, to share with a friend, to share with a friend. Jump in the comment section. I like the emojis them. If I have my emoji, you can leave that same way. A smiley face, a fire, something. Just jump in the comment section and leave something there. But we see it, man. And if you want to email me, feel free as well. And to follow us on our social media networks, Instagram and TikTok. Remember that. Jamaica Walk By family. You don't know Lexi and Fabian. Large up yourself, see me. Thanks for the support. Damien and whoever me not big up yet, trust me, phone time will come because a lot of persons are instrumental in helping me to launch this channel so I can show about things like this to know in our face every week. Zin? So that is it. Yeah man, pretty in a jar and you can't get it no better than this. And this, well, this one when I make the other day, trust me, at like fire, I have to take my time with it. So each time I use it, I can't use too much because it really hot. I something like it still, spicy. You get me? So there you have it, man. Straight out of RUSHIE'S Kitchen. And as I always say, RUSHIE'S Kitchen there saying we're going, we're gone, you know.